Hey y'all, so I wanted to hey y'all, so today I got some beans, some pinto beans. My son, I told him we're gonna start doing beans once a week. Because beans are healthier for you. I'm trying to do better. Okay, so I got my pan here, and so what I'm fixing is some turkey necks that I purchased. Now, when I got these, they were already cut up, and so I seasoned them this morning. And we're going to just take them and put them on the pan. I'm going to go ahead and cook the wing tips too. But we're just going to put these on the pan. I got them like here in this thing here. But we got them on the pan. And I just bake all my meats the same. I season them with all of the same things. And I'll actually add it. So, I'll add the seasonings on the screen now. So y'all know how I season it. Or you can go back and watch my video where I season my pork steak, pork chops. I season them all the same. I like to season my meat ahead of time. Put it in the refrigerator. Let it kind of marinate like before I actually put it in the oven. And so that's what I did with this. And again, I'm going to list the things that I seasoned them with. I first put olive oil on them. Rub the olive oil in, and then the other items that I use. And so now, I'm going to put a little bit more olive oil. Because what the olive oil is going to do is going to help it get crispy. And I like my baked. Like somebody told me, said, I think you bake your meat too long. And you know, I agree. I probably do, because I like my meat to have a crisp, the skin on my baked meat. I like it crispy. I don't have very much of this left. But I like it crispy like it's been fried. But that's how I like my baked meat. I don't like my baked meat to have like a soggy texture. Like my pork chops. When my pork chops get finished, they're actually like fried without the without skin, if that makes sense. I'm going to put this on 375, and I'm not sure how long, because I'm going to be honest with you. Turkey necks is not something I cook a lot. It is not. So, I will be back when this is finished. Okay? Be back. Alright, y'all. So, I didn't set my timer. And so, when I came back, this is what they look like. So I think I baked them too long. And y'all know turkey has a tendency to be tough. To me. But see, it rendered all of the fat off. All the grease. You see that? Now, if you wanted like to make a gravy, which I'm not going to. I'm trying to stay away from gravy. You could take that grease right here. That broth off of there. And fry you some onion and bell pepper down there and make you like a gravy to it. I may actually save that though, to be honest. But this is how I like mine though, dried out. I probably wouldn't have cooked it quite as long. And you know, sometimes turkey will actually be tough. So I'm gonna see what this is like. Let's see. It's actually not tough though. It's not. It's actually good. Got good flavor to it. But that's what it looks like. So I did baked turkey, and I also did some pinto beans. Okay, y'all, this is very dark to me. Let's see if I can lighten it up some. So let me show y'all what it looks. So these are my pinto beans, and I don't put a whole lot of water. And what I do, you take a few of your beans. And if it's not, your gravy not thick, first you don't add a lot of water, but you take a few of your beans, you press them up against the back part, like that. And then you stir that back in, and that'll give you a thick gravy. This is a pound of beans, and that's how I like mine. I don't like them watery. And this is cooked in the crock pot. And see, they're not watery? They're not. All right. This is my dinner. The baked turkey, wings, and pinto beans. And I put just a few sausage in there if y'all can see it, just for flavor. And that's it. And they are very flavorful. Y'all have a good day. All right. Bye.